Let's tie a root beer midge. Here are the materials that we're going to use. Here's what it's going to look like when we get done. There are a lot of different ways to tie this fly. So the way I do it is with a copper tungsten head. I'll wrap my rust and brown thread around the body. I'll loop the tag while looping it around the body, and that holds it in place. Now we're going to clip the tag. Continue wrapping the body evenly as you go from front to back. Go past the point, right at the bend. Stop near the bend. Be careful you don't cut your thread with the tip of the hook. Next, we're going to use the brown and tan microfibers from Orvis for the tail. And then lay the fine copper wire on top of the body. Put 2 or 3 loops to hold it in place. And that goes on top of the feather. Now we're going to continue wrapping the body. You want it to start out small in the back and then get bigger toward the front, but not as big as a perdigon. But we do want a body shape. Next, we'll wrap the wire in the same direction as the thread. Notice the gapping we've got there. You want it to be clean and even. The gaps. There'll be about 5 of them. Now, wrap the line around the top of the tag a couple of times to hold it in place. Clip the tag close. In this case, I left a little long, so I'm pushing it down with my thumbnail. I'm going to cinch that in, continue wrapping the thread around the back of the hook. We'll use a whipping tool to do 2 or 3 loops right behind the head. Cinch it down tight, but we don't want to break the thread. Then we'll clip the tag. The final step is we'll put flow thickness UV epoxy along the top, let it run over the body, and then turn the light on and then move it around the fly for about 12 seconds to cure it. Make that epoxy hard. And there you go. That is a root beer midge.